What's up, guys? Welcome back to Joy Eats.
Hey, how y'all doing?
What are we eating today?
Sushi?
Yes.
Sushi galore. Look at that. That is, it's not even a sushi plate. It's not even a platter. That's a big piece of wood with a lot of sushi on it.
Delicious.
Yeah.
So, do you want to dig in?
I think we gotta dig in. Do we talk about the fancy ones?
Yes, sure.
There's some fancy pants sushis.
Sure.
Tell me about your fancy pants sushi.
I just know this one is rainbow because it's full of colors and it has some fish on top.
They got everything on
Yeah,
there.
it's like different color.
If it was together, you'd see it would look like, well, a rainbow.
Yes. I'm going to have this one too. Yours has tuna and avocado on the outside. Mine have a white fish, I forgot what it's called, and avocado on the outside. It was about to break. Yeah. Which it did.
It's very delicate.
Yeah.
A little too delicate. I've seen it before. Okay, yep. It's all over the place. That's how you start a meal. Just stuff flying all over the place.
Mango.
Oh,
Oh, and by the way, guys, a Q&A will be coming soon.
Q&A.
Some of you have been asking for one for the longest time.
It's been a year almost that we've been doing videos. Almost a year.
Yeah, almost, yeah. Yeah, so it's time for a Q&A.
How about that? It's
Yes.
time.
But there's rules. I mean,
The rule.
it's not really
It's
rules.
very
but
strict.
yeah. Do we talk about it right now?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Get it out the way so while this cools down because it's too hot.
Yes, it's too hot.
Yes.
So I would like, okay, you can ask any type of question you want.
Well, easy.
No, and any amount of question you want.
Oh,
You can ask 5 questions, 10 questions, but I would like it to be on different comments. So if you have 5 questions, 5 different comments. Because I want other people to like your comment.
and we're going to prioritize
Exactly.
the questions or the comments that have the most likes.
Yes, because if I have a lot of comments, I mean, I'm going to choose the priority ones. The priority.
Them. We're going to choose
Yeah.
them guys.
Yeah, so it's going to be easier that way.
I think so.
Yeah.
I hope so. We'll see.
Yes.
Unless there's too many comments to read.
Yeah, so you can guys start commenting under this video. And we'll do the Q&A whenever we have enough questions.
Yes.
Good? I know some of you are happy. What?
Wow.
What?
Nothing.
Alrighties. So, let's keep eating.
Q&A. Get your comments ready.
Yes.
Get your questions ready. Get your like button ready.
Comment down below. 5 questions, 5 comments. And guys, go like it. Go like the comments you would like us to prioritize, which I can't say that word. Alrighties.
I'm going to get rid of one of these small little guys, but with a lot of wasabi. Oh, what did you take? What?
I don't know.
What? That looks like it's got some spicy mayo in it.
Oh, we have, this is spicy mayo and this is like wafu. And we each have our soya sauce on the side. I'm gonna put some wafu on that one.
Oh, right in the nose. Right in the nose. That's too much. That's too much ginger. Broke my chopsticks. Very disappointed. So I'm off balance.
You want another one?
Nah, it's okay.
Okay. Oh, we have some cooked one here
Fried ones. Yeah,
Fried ones.
I ate one already.
Oh, you already ate one?
Yeah, I
I'm gonna
have.
take
They're
mine.
actually pretty good.
I love the fried ones. I think they're called
Fried.
Dragon Eye.
Dragon Eye.
Yeah, Dragon Eye.
Ooh.
Hold up.
I don't know.
Let me
Is that appealing? I don't know how I feel about that.
I don't know why they keep breaking from this restaurant.
I don't know. It's like whoever rolled them had the softest hands. No grip. The dude definitely, or the girl, is definitely not.
It's all dudes.
All dudes.
Yeah, the girl
So-
was on the phone only.
So the dudes are definitely not massage guys. They don't do massages. They got no power in their fingers. All of these things are just flopping.
Look at this one, guys. One of my fave from the cook ones. So we have, okay, no, I already said what we had. Sauces.
What is this guy?
I think it's Volcano. I just know that I took it because it looked good. Look at all this things on top and sauces and tamago. Is it tamago?
That's
The
egg.
eggs.
Egg is tamago, but
What is the
real
red-
egg.
Oh.
Tobiko.
Tobiko. Yeah. You want to eat this one?
Sure.
Ooh, there's tempura
See that?
shrimp. Oh, fried shrimp. Let me show. It's about to break in my hand.
Yeah, seriously. It's
That's a fried shrimp. Yeah, we can't really tell what's in it. But these sauces look good. Ooh.
it's all over the place now. We officially have a mess.
Quality is amazing, right?
The taste is great.
What type of fish is this?
I'm not sure. I used to remember that.
It's okay.
Can't remember no more.
It's flying eel.
flying eelfish.
Which is not true. Don't believe everything you hear, guys.
That's right. The internet is full of charlatans.
You know that these are torched salmon on top.
Torched?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, no, it's tartar. This one has... Which one is...
Yeah, where is the torched guy?
I'm not sure. I know I took some torched guy. I don't know. Yeah,
Missing in action.
it's fine.
But that looks pretty good.
I
I have
know.
to admit.
I love it. And there's a shrimp inside of this one. Yeah.
Oh, it looks good. It really does look good. Does it look the same on both sides? I guess so.
Hold on.
All right, here we go. May the pouring commence.
Thank you. This is black cherry sparkling water, and it tastes like a popsicle. Tastes super sweet, but it's not sweet.
Oh, wow.
I like it.
I'm not sure.
I like it. Do you guys like wasabi? I know people that don't like it. My mom doesn't like wasabi.
Really?
Let's go with this.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show them.
I don't know what it is. At first I thought it was like cabbage. It's gonna fall. Oh, I guess not.
And this is tartar, but it looked flamed a little bit. See the top? It has some black spots. My favorite. That one's really good.
I think it's the only one that doesn't have cucumber.
Yeah. True. These ones are really good, guys. And I can't say the name because I want to be monetized.
What do you mean? Whisper. In my ear. Wow. Can't believe they call it that.
You're funny. I'm doing it on purpose. The gulps.
Gulping.
You can have this one with the white fish. That's a booty. They look good though. They look glistening too. That's a sign that it's fresh.
Yeah, this booty's all over the place.
My favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yes, indeed.
Don't forget to write your comments, or not your comments, your questions down below.
Down below.
And please thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Yes, indeed.
Hit the bell.
We see what we did there. We switched up the thumbs and the pointing everywhere. People are all confused now.
I think you're confused.
I am too.
Hit the bell. Ding.
I was just trying to avoid getting hit.
We'll see you guys very soon with another video. I hope you guys stay safe. We love you.
See ya.